Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Slack notifications from Jira and Smart Commits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Slack notifications from Jira and Smart Commits, start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions in both Jira and Slack. Next, navigate to your Jira project. On the left sidebar, select Project Settings. Scroll down to find Integrations or Apps. Click on Slack Integration. If you haven't set it up yet, click on Add to Slack. This will redirect you to Slack's authorization page. Choose the Slack workspace you want to integrate with. Authorize Jira to send notifications to your Slack workspace. Once integrated, return to your Jira project. To customize notification settings, click on Configure Slack Notifications. Here, you can select the types of events you want notifications for. Make sure to select Smart Commits if you want updates related to code changes. Now, switch to your Slack workspace. Create a private or public channel where you want to receive Jira notifications. Use the command /Jira Connect in the chosen channel. This links the channel to your Jira project. To test the setup, create a sample issue in Jira. Change its status or add a comment to trigger a notification. Check the Slack channel for the update. You should see a notification summarizing the issue and its status. For Smart Commits, make a commit in your version control system that includes a Jira issue key. In the commit message, use a command like #comment to add a comment. After pushing the commit, return to Slack. Look for a notification related to your Smart Commit. Confirm that the details match what you wrote in your commit message. If everything looks good, you have successfully verified your Slack notifications from Jira and Smart Commits. If you encounter any issues, double-check your integration settings in both Jira and Slack. Adjust the notification preferences based on your team's needs for better efficiency. You have now completed the verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.